In this video, we show you what wild animals will do, even when humans are around.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Yes.
You can hear him shaking his feathers. He's courting all the females.
Say, you messing with my man? Oh, here he is. You hurt my feelings.
They said, we're getting away. But he's flexing. Beautiful, beautiful,
What they do.
beautiful. It's like, I'm showing you all my I'm strutting my stuff. I'm strutting my stuff. It's like, come on, girls.
Look at that.
Putting on the best show he can put on. So this is what you call fun time here in Laurel Bay.
Look at him. Shake it off, roll over.
As you can see in these videos, these sea otters love to perform when they know people are watching. So, hope you enjoy. We learned as we were watching the sea otters that the sea otters dive down and grab the abalone and bring them up, and then also turn on their back, crack the shells open, and then eat the insides. It was exciting to watch them.
Wow.
We were driving by the harbor,
Wow.
and I seen this pot, and look at this thing, full of Dungeness crab.
That is crazy.
Look at that. That is crazy. Those are some monsters too. The big ones.
Oh my
Big
goodness
boys.
gracious. What do you catch them in? Those big things like that?
Right there.
Wow.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty cool?
That is really cool to see.
Wow.
Is this what you ate the other
This is
day?
what I had the other day. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is much better.
There is an abundance
Absolutely.
of oyster shells out here, and all these piles are multiple oysters in these shells here. Just fantastic. You can come get some fresh oysters right off the beach. And then dig you some clams and make some clam chowder.
Oh, that's a beautiful size clam right
Now,
Oh.
I take it you've done this price before.
This is a Manila clam, otherwise known as a local steamer clam here in Washington State.
Got the right boots on. I've got my extra.
That is
Right
awesome.
on your head. Yeah, you're ready for today.
So, take a look over here.
Go for it.
Got his bucket. You can see they got their measuring tool. That's a multi-faceted measuring tool. Like you could measure crab with that too.
Crab, clam hole right here has to be 1.5 inches. And yeah, I mean like a bunch of clams here. We got Manilas, butter clams, native little necks.
Awesome. That's pretty cool. We're like an immediate left.
You don't think you can make that? Look at him looking like, oh, man, we just got comfortable. And here they're going to come over here. And one in this site of all sites. That is so awesome. This is right in our campground. Look at them looking at us because they know Kim loves animals. Wow. They said they just came in after all the campers left this morning. This is so cool.
And they're right
in our
campsite.
What's our campsite now?
Right there, 82.
Where's our campsite?
Right there, where there's that. Right there.
Hi guys. You guys these are all female? I don't see any horns.
I'm sure there's some males in there. I'm sure there's some.
They're young.
Oh yeah, see that big one laying down right by the road? He's got horns. And then, let's see.
I can't stop. This is just so awesome.
We could take the car off right here.
That one's laying back down, so they're like, oh, they're just gonna have to wait. We're taking a nap right now.
Take the car off.
Look at him looking. Look at him looking. You don't want me to come back there, right? I see the one with the horns over there.
Yeah,
There, yeah. That's all his herd. So our campsite is right there. And they're all by our site. I hate to make a move because I'd like to sit and just enjoy them.
Alright, we're just going to have to pull over there because we're blocking the road.
Okay.
And, you know, grumpy old guy. I need to get out.
Are you serious?
Well, we are blocking the road, though.
But still, they know they're campers.
It turned out we moved the car and just pulled over into the camp spot. And they moved over toward the middle of the grass. And they stayed there for several hours, and we enjoyed them the whole time they were there. We just wanted to show you the different animal encounters and what they will do when humans are around. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video. We always appreciate your comments. Love it when you share it with your family and your friends. And we appreciate, as always, you follow along with us at Noel's Blessed Adventures. Thank you, and have a blessed day.